greens, whites, and grays. That's the theme on this wall. And after finishing installing these uppers with the scribes to the wall, it is really good close to the wall. Now we have to do the back wall. It's going to be like this. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap the whole wall with this type of wood, and then we're gonna install these cabinets in front, to the left and the right. Okay, so the wood comes like this. It's only about 1/4 inch, and one of the problems that we found is that that wall is not drywall, it's plaster. So we can see it over here. Let me see, right there. See, it's plaster, so we cannot just nail it. We're gonna go ahead and install 1/2 inch MDF to that wall. We're gonna find the studs, screw them. That way we're gonna have a solid flat surface all the way across to install our wood. And also what we are trying to do is not to surpass the face of the casing. So 1/2 inch plus 1/4 inch, we're gonna be flush with the face of the casing. That's the intention, and I'll be showing you the progress. Now that we have the back wall with the MDF, basically it's ready for start putting this material to the back wall. Now before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and utilize the base of the cabinet that's called a toe kick. I'm gonna use that before the other material so I can have a level line behind it to start my reclaimed wood right there, from there up. Okay, and the way I do that is the first thing I do is I level my toe kick. There you can see the bubble. See, it's level. So I level my toe kick all the way across, and also I level it from back to front. And after I have that level, I end up with a gap. That's the gap. So I take my compass and I open it up as much as the opening that I have over here, and then I transfer the shape of the floor all the way across to the whole toe kick, like this. So the line that you see over here is the line that I have to cut, okay, in order for the toe kick to sit on the floor, but when it sits, it's gonna be level with the floor and following the shape of the floor. As soon as I do that, I'm gonna bring the toe kick back over here, and I'm gonna mark a line in the back. This line is gonna be my starting point for the reclaimed wood that is gonna go from that line all the way up to the ceiling. Okay, so that is my next step. I'll be back soon. All right, as you can see, we have most of the wall wrapped with the wood. This wood is kind of the same as the flooring. It's 1/4 inch thick, and it has that lip that overlaps the one on the bottom. So after we have the whole wall wrapped and the cabinets installed, the toe kicks, they were scribed to the floor, so no gap is in between the floor and the cabinets. Now what I wanted to show you on this video is how we do the last line that goes on the top. And basically what the concept that I apply over there is the same concept that I did with those uppers, with the fillers. Okay, I do have a laser. That's the laser. And what I did was I put a line 1 inch below uh, the edge of the wood. So I'm gonna take my wood, something like that, and I'm gonna put the wood right on the bottom, on the top of the line. See, the bottom of the wood is right on the line, exactly right there. Then I calibrate my compass from the edge of the wood to the line, and then I transfer the shape of the ceiling. I transfer it directly to the piece of wood. There it goes. So now that the wood is marked, you can see the mark over there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the red pen that I have and go ahead and cut it. And after cutting it, it's supposed to fit exactly in the space that we have. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that. Those three pieces, I believe it is. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that, and I'm gonna show you the results when I'm done.